Actor Kartik Aaryan is one of the busiest actors currently with several films in his kitty. The actor has a jam-packed schedule in 2021. Kartik Aaryan on Tuesday gave an update to his followers through social media about his upcoming film Shehzada. The actor has wrapped up the first schedule of the film, sharing a picture with the director of the film Rohit Dhawan on Instagram. Kartik wrote, "And that's a happy director because of me, schedule wrap." Shehzada is produced by Bhushan Kumar, Allu Arvind, and Aman Gill. The film also stars actress Kriti Sanon, Paresh Rawal, Manisha Koirala, Ronit Roy, and Sachin Khedekar. The film's director Rohit, brother of actor Varun Dhawan, is once again collaborating with music director Preetham for the film's score. The film is set for a November 4, 2022 release. Before Shehzada, Kartik wrapped up the shooting schedule of Freddy. The film stars actress Alaya F in an interesting character. The romantic thriller is directed by Shashank Ghosh. Freddy is jointly produced by Balaji Telefilms and Northern Light Films. Kartik Aaryan's another acting project is Captain India. The film will be directed by 1992 Scam director Hansal Mehta. Captain India is produced by Ronnie Screwwala and Herman Baweja and is an action drama inspired by India's successful rescue missions from a war-torn nation. Kartik Aaryan is currently awaiting the release of Dhamaka and horror comedy Bhool Bhulaiya 2. The trailer of Dhamaka was released recently and Kartik left the audience completely shell-shocked and with his acting chops in the finely cut trailer. The film is Kartik Aaryan's departure from soft genres to comedy, romance, and drama, and it presents a completely different side of him as an actor, that of an intense actor. For his role in the film, Kartik Aaryan has stepped into the shoes of an ex-journalist caught between the quandary of conscience and his career, which took a hit following an incident. The actor leaves a fine imprint on the mind of the audience through his act in the opening scenes of the trailer. Ever since its release, the trailer has been making waves on the internet and has received rave reviews from critics, audience, and industry. The film, which also stars Mrunal Thakur and Amruta Subhash, is set to premiere on Netflix on November 19. Talking about his another film, Bhool Bhulaiya 2, the film is a standalone sequel to the 2007 hit Bhool Bhulaiya, which starred Akshay Kumar, Shaini Ahuja, and Vidya Balan. Directed by Anis Bazmi and produced by Bhushan Kumar, Bhool Bhulaiya 2 is slated to release in cinemas on March 25. The film also stars actress Kiara Advani and Tabu in pivotal roles.